Page 19, Halftime Show. This piece, they're not really introducing anything new. You get to use what you've learned so far. Yay team, except of course there's no pedal. So at the beginning in the right hand, we got 4/4 time. Let's get that out of the way first. Always check that time signature. And for the right hand, you're starting out with thumb on F. So that's going to put your hand in this position. We're going to use these space notes. Spaces, the notes in the spaces. Okay. And just make sure you got all the notes first. That's really the only notes we're using. That's not hard. Then the rhythm, quarter notes, whole notes, and half notes. I'm hoping you can get those by now. If not, you really need to go back and go through the book again. You're going too fast. In the left hand, you're starting out with thumb on middle C here. Put your hand in this position. And that's pretty much it. The third measure of the first line, you have an F and a C at the same time. Put your hand in that position. These two fingers are down, the other fingers are up. Not way up, just up out of the way, and you lower the hand down. Collapse the wrist as you do this. Don't play with a stiff wrist. Then you're going to hold that out. They're tied to the next whole note, so that's 8 counts of that stuff. Second line's the same. The last line, the two hands are playing the same rhythm. They're actually playing the same notes too, just an octave apart, and you got staccatos. So it's 1, 2, 3. Come up on that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 2, 3. Rest. You don't have to come way up. I'm being showy because that's what I do. Just come up. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so. Now there is a repeat sign at the end of the second line. Now they didn't give you a reverse repeat sign because they never needed to begin with. You simply go back to the beginning and play those 2 lines again. So we are going to play the first 2 lines twice during the play with me part. Let's try this slowly together to check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. You can do the dynamics. It's medium loud at the beginning, and then at the end it's loud, just a little louder. Medium loud and louder, not too far apart, just a little louder for loud. So put your hands where they go. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, rest. Now there's a duet part at the bottom. I'd like to do that. And you play your part just like you played it. We're going to go a little faster. You don't need to move anywhere. You can play it right there. It's fine. And we'll see how it goes as a duet. These duets are kind of important because it's important when you're learning to play the piano that you learn to play with other people, not always just by yourself. In other words, if you're playing along and you suddenly have to stop because hesitate, that throws everybody else off. It won't work. You've got to be able to play this with no hesitations at all the start to finish, or you have not learned it yet. So keep that in mind, please. So put your hands where they go. I'll give us 4 counts. There we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, Rest.